Everyone deserves to hear the beat.
Actually started this as a class project at the National Fire Academy. I had to bring a community risk reduction idea for my city when I went to the National Fire Academy. When I did the research, I found we had 5,500 hearing impaired citizens, which surprised me. There's only 3 parts. There's an electric part, the bed shaker, and the unit itself. The unit listens to the smoke detector tone and it activates. So all we do is we plug it into an outlet. This sits on a counter or a night table, and this bed shaker fits under the bed. It's real thin and small, you don't feel it, but we put this under the bed. We bring the wire back so nobody trips on a wire, and that's it. It's set up. It's very important that everybody has the opportunity here to be, and that's what this is all about.